It's currently 4:30 in the morning. I'm gonna head out to this spot. Pretty tired. It's gonna be a sunrise spot. Looking forward to it. Should be pretty good. It's one of the most famous spots on Instagram. It's about an hour and a half south of Sydney. So a bit of a drive. Let's get to it. Alright. Here we are. We're at Bombo, Sutherland, south of Sydney. And unfortunately, the clouds have ruined the sunrise. There's not much to see, but it's a pretty amazing spot. It's pretty cool. I think I have to find my way around the other side, which means I've got to hike back that way and then make my way over. But this is the Boneyards area. Not bad. Not a bad spot to come have an evening, have a couple of drinks, bring some marshmallows. Be pretty cool. I'm here at Bombo, so check this out. This location, it's pretty awesome. Like this rock formation here, have a look at that. It's pretty amazing. So this is one of the areas where the waves crash over the rocks. Looks pretty cool. Just making my way around the side of the rocks here, and yeah, it just looks really epic. Looks really cool. Like these rock formations that they just stand upright right next to the ocean. It's pretty unbelievable. They're huge too. Like, I mean, they're not small rocks by any means. Are amazing. It's like everywhere you look, it's a couple of stories high. Cool. Definitely cool. I'm gonna have to backtrack a little and go back the other way. But before I do so, I wanted to show you this. So once I can get to a place where I can sit in a dry spot and get the gear out, I'll send the drone, get some good video footage for you guys. Alright, let's check it out. Let's go. This is pretty epic. It's a really cool location. It's pretty awesome. It's definitely worth it. This place is next level. From crashing waves over rocks. So I got this cliff face as well right here. Or you can even get up onto the headland as well. So if you're ever in Kiama, Wollongong area, certainly make the way down. You won't be disappointed. Definitely worthwhile. There's another place about 1 kilometre away. I'm keen to go check that out too. So yeah, let's see what more we can do. All right guys, let's go. Check this out. We're at Cathedral Rocks. So it's just the other side of the headland actually. Short drive over, only takes a few minutes. And you end up with this. We just got some footage. Got a couple of sweet lines. Some good drops, some good cliff dives. Yeah, I think you'll enjoy it. Check this out. At Paradise Adventures, we're all about going on amazing adventures in unbelievable locations. If that is something you like, then hit the like, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on a video, because we've got a lot of good stuff coming, and doing these adventures too. So doing a bit of hike, island hopping, water activities. And so if that's the kind of thing you like, hit the like, hit the subscribe so you don't miss out, and we're looking forward to sharing it with you.